we're gonna go run over Stoneking Armor with the front of my car in the ground like you guys asked for. So here we go. So we're gonna go check on our Stoneking Armors with some sprinklers. Hopefully I don't get nailed with the sprinklers. Here it is, doing super well. And I'm gonna put one around this guy because this guy keeps just getting run over. Now we're ready. All right, so I see where the sprinkler head is right here. We're gonna go ahead and just move some roots around because they're kind of covering it anyway. And then I've been guilty of running this guy over when I'm backing out of the driveway. So, okay. And then I can feel like we're hitting the concrete from when they laid the bricks. Okay. Take that, push that down. People are always on me about doing it this way, which, whatever. Engagement ring. So, you guys wanted me to do this. So now you can see how it's in there. About, say, like a half-inch lip of how it's going. And then I'll run it over with my car if that's what you guys were wanting me to do. So let me move some stuff, then you guys can see it. Okay, so here's the Stoneking Armor in the ground. So you guys can see it. I'm gonna do this all in one take so you guys can see what's gonna happen, and then I'll zoom in after I get out of the car and have you take a look at it. Go take a look. Alright, where is it? There it is. Alright, so we're gonna go back and look at this. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. So we're gonna go back and look and see how it is bent, but it is just fine after being run over by a Volvo big SUV. So I'm gonna go turn on the sprinklers and show you how lovely and protected it is. So let's this situated here. And let me see there. Sugar. Hold on. There. Okay. So let's take this closer so y'all can see it in action. Doing just fine on its own. After being nice and run over. All I can see is it's on a tripod. And that's after being run over by a giant sheep. Thank you for getting me wet, sprinklers.